Finding good wood platform beds today is really not that difficult. Since there are so many different companies that make these, finding the right one is really becoming a very easy task. Because there is no shortage of high-quality beds to choose from. From Japanese platform beds, platform storage beds, cheap platform beds, regular wood beds, etc. The choices when it comes to these are literally endless. Of course, you want to be aware of some things to avoid when looking for these, as very simply some companies are better than others at building these. Here are some tips to help you to find the best. First of all, wood platform beds are beds that are simply much higher than most regular beds, and therefore give you a lot of room underneath to put items that you otherwise would not be able to fit under your bed. This is great if you have a smaller room, because you can put a lot of things underneath your bed that you wouldn't be able to underneath most regular beds. Very simply, the reason that so many people had trouble keeping their rooms is because they are too small to fit all their belongings. The room simply is not large enough to hold all their miscellaneous things. Yes, some of them probably could be discarded, and some of the problem is from a simple lack of organization. But many times, the problem could simply be alleviated by having more space at their disposal. Platform beds can certainly cure this lack of space problem. Of course, there are two main types of platform beds: wood and metal. Metal is very popular, not so much because of its functionality, but mostly because it is cheaper than wood. However, wood is much stronger, generally is much more stylish as well. You can buy many different kinds of wood platform beds, including mahogany, maple, chestnut, etc. The kind of wood bed you buy is really up to you. You surely don't have as many options available for purchasing metal. Also, metal beds are usually much weaker than wood beds, and simply don't provide as much support. Therefore, you need to decide for yourself which is right for you, out the money for stronger and sturdier wood platform beds. Or save some money with metal platform beds. The choice is up to you. Also, another great tip is that you can certainly save a lot of money if you buy your wood platform beds on the internet. The reason is that when you go online, you have access to literally hundreds of available beds at the click of a button. You certainly don't have this wide assortment of choices when going to your local department store, as you pretty much have to take what they give you. One final tip: if you plan on buying on the internet, be absolutely sure that you choose the right bed to fit your needs. Very simply, make sure that you know without the shadow of a doubt that it will fit into your room, and also that a style meshes with the rest of the room. It is very difficult to return anything online, least of all wood platform beds.